Do you have a contract opportunity or lease agreement sitting on your desk right now that requires pollution liability insurance? Are you scrambling to find coverage options, but you're unsure which insurers work with your specific industry? I'm going to show you exactly how to get the right pollution liability quotes from the top insurance companies who specialize in your business and get them fast. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the 3 key coverage options most people overlook, which insurers actually write policies for businesses like yours, and my proven process for getting quotes turned around in 48 hours instead of weeks. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome to my channel. For over 40 years, I've been helping business owners navigate the complex world of commercial insurance, and I've seen every trick, every pitfall, and every costly mistake you can imagine. In this channel, I share the insider strategies, real-world solutions that protect your business and save you money. No generic advice, no industry jargon, just straight talk from someone who's been in the trenches for a long time. If you're dealing with a specific insurance challenge right now, like finding the right pollution coverage, don't wait. Time is usually not on your side. There's a link in the description box below to schedule a quick conversation. All right, so let's get into it. Well, before we dive in, let me address something that's probably frustrating you right now. You've been researching online and you've probably seen websites claiming that pollution insurance costs an average of $230 a month, or that coverages start at $1,500, but here's the truth. Those numbers are just come-ons and completely meaningless for your business. These are generic averages that don't even indicate the limit of coverage. Are we talking about $50,000 of coverage or $5 million of coverage? What's the scope of coverage or the limitations of coverage? The point is that buying pollution insurance isn't like buying car insurance from Geico. It's a highly customizable product, and pricing is based on a variety of factors. Your specific operations, where you're working, what you're working with, the types of potential contaminants you may handle, your claim history, and much more. That's exactly why you need an expert broker to help guide you through the process to get the coverage you need at the best pricing available. The simple fact is that these websites that publish unrealistic, overly generalized premiums have no idea what your exposures or underwriting factors actually are. They are using these come-on numbers to get your contact information and then hound you until you buy. It's really not a great situation. So let's talk about why most agents get pollution insurance wrong. The first one is that they don't write a lot of environmental coverages, so they fumble their way through the process, not knowing really where to turn. Second, they don't know what questions to ask to get an accurate quote. And number 3, they may send your information to a dozen underwriters in a shotgun fashion, hoping for the best. The fact is that pollution coverage is entirely different than any other type of business insurance. It requires a deep understanding of the situation and contract requirements you need, the operations you're conducting. For example, are you doing excavation work that might uncover contaminated soil? Or are you a manufacturer with underground storage tanks? Or do you handle industrial solvents or deal with asbestos remediation? Each of these scenarios requires different coverage approaches and different insurance companies. Many agents will waste weeks sending your information to companies who don't even write environmental coverage for your industry type. I've seen contractors wait a month only to be told that the insurance they've applied for doesn't cover construction operations. Meanwhile, their contract deadline is approaching and they're losing money every day that they can't start work. The problem is that most agents lack access to specialized pollution insurers, and they certainly don't understand the nuances of contractors' pollution liability, premises liability, and errors and omissions coverage. Here's my proven process that gets you real quotes in 48 hours, in most cases, not 48 days. First, I conduct a detailed assessment of your actual operations and risk exposures. This isn't a general online form. We talk through your specific work, the sites you operate, and the materials you handle. And this conversation alone saves weeks of back and forth later. Then I match you to the right insurance companies who specialize in your industry, because I have access to the entire marketplace, not just 2 or 3 insurance companies. I can show you options that you didn't know existed. Some insurers excel at contractors' pollution liability for construction work. Others specialize in premises pollution for manufacturing facilities. Still, others focus on transportation and disposal coverage. Next, I present your options with clear explanations of what each policy covers. This is crucial because pollution policies aren't standardized like general liability. Some cover cleanup costs but may limit defense. Others may include business interruption. Some have separate limits for on-site versus off-site events. Finally, I handle all the applications and follow-ups with the underwriters. Here's what sets us apart from other brokers. I don't just send your quotes and then disappear. I explain what each policy covers, what it doesn't, and why it's priced that way. You'll understand exactly what you're buying before you sign anything. Let me quickly cover 3 areas where I see contractors especially getting burned because their agent didn't explain the coverage properly. First is non-owned disposal sites. If you're taking contaminated materials to a disposal facility and something goes wrong during transportation or at the facility, are you covered? Many policies exclude this, but it's critically important for contractors. Second is completed operations coverage. What happens if a pollution claim arises from work you completed 6 months ago? Standard policies may not cover this, but contractors' pollution liability policies should cover and include this coverage. Third is the difference between sudden and accidental pollution versus gradual pollution. Some policies only cover sudden spills, but what if contamination occurs slowly over time during your project? You need coverage that addresses both scenarios. These distinctions matter and they affect your premiums. But more importantly, they affect whether you actually get protected when a claim happens. Look, you have contracts waiting and deadlines to meet. You can't afford to work with agents who treat this like a commodity coverage or waste time with websites showing fantasy pricing that has nothing to do with your actual business. Click the link in the description box below, fill out the form, and let's get to work and get you real quotes from real insurers who understand your specific industry and operations. In 43 years of business, I've never had a client tell me they wished they waited longer to get proper coverage. Don't let inadequate insurance or delays in getting coverage cost you contracts. Get the protection you need from someone who understands your business. The link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this info helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks.